Hi, my name's Katy Austin. I'm the Simcoe-Grey NDP candidate. I'm going to be talking to you in a few minutes about our party's 6 commitments in this particular election. 6 commitments to make a fair deal for working families in Ontario. But first of all, I want to focus on this. Our current member, Jim Wilson, Conservative Party, criticizes the Liberals for their broken promises. That's a classic case of the pot calling the kettle black. It was the Harris and Wilson Conservatives who put this province in a huge mess during the 8 years that they were in power. The Liberals just haven't done enough to clean it up. Jim Wilson was the Minister of Energy when Ontario Hydro was privatized, even though in other jurisdictions around the world it had been found that the cost of hydro went up after privatization. Just today, I learned that this could also cost the province more than 600 well-paying, tax-paying jobs that are currently carried out by solid citizens of Ontario. A private firm which handles information technology for Hydro One plans to give those jobs to people in other countries so that they can be more profitable themselves. Talk about Liberal broken promises? What about the Harris and Wilson Conservative government promise to help pay for that pipeline from Collingwood to Alliston so that Honda could establish itself there? They pulled out after that deal was signed, and they left the municipalities here with the entire $11 million bill. When he was Minister of the Environment, Jim Wilson refused to meet with the Ballycroy Area Rural Conservation Alliance, who were fighting against big developers who were threatening their precious water resources. When Jim Wilson was Minister of the Environment, he did nothing to help the citizens of Elmwell in Springwater Township in their fight against Site 41. What Simcoe-Grey needs is an NDP representative of Queen's Park, one who fights for working families, not the rich and not the powerful. We have made 6 commitments in this particular election. First of all, we will make life more affordable for families. Ontario's NDP will provide a health tax rebate of up to $450 for people making less than $80,000. Secondly, we will ensure a fair day's pay for a hard day's work. We will raise the minimum wage to $10 an hour immediately. Thirdly, we will make sure that all kids get the education they deserve by fixing the flawed funding formula for education. Fourthly, we will remove barriers to university, college, and training. We will roll back tuition fees to the level that they were at before Mr. McGuinty came to power, and we will freeze them there. We will also eliminate classroom fees for apprenticeships. That will save $400 for those people on average. Fifth, we will reduce hospital waits. Ontario's NDP will take the pressure off of hospitals and emergency rooms and caregivers by expanding home care and guaranteeing a daily 3.5 hours of personal care in long-term homes. Finally, we will protect our children's health and the environment by establishing a right-to-know law that ensures that families will know what toxins and other environmental hazards are in our food, air, and groundwater. The NDP wants a fair deal for working families. We need an NDP representative in Simcoe-Grey. Thank you.